and today I'm going to show you how to make lasagna. Let's start with the vegetables. The mushrooms, and we'll dice the onions. Crush the garlic and then mince it.